Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Shaista from Express Fairway Freight LLC. Our today's topic is process of import in UAE and how easy and simple it is. If you are a trader and you want to import goods from another country to UAE, you just have to book your cargo from where you wish to import in UAE. You have to keep an eye on shipment documents. It must be original. Shipment documents will be provided you by your shipper. Once your shipment has reached here in UAE, you need a clearing agent who will clear your consignment from seaport or airport. You have to hand over your consignment original documents to your clearing agent. They will declare your shipment and generate bill of entry. Once declaration is done, you can pull out your cargo. Your clearing agent will provide you transport service as well. They will deliver your cargo at your place. Now you are aware of how simple and easy to do import in UAE. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.